Welcome back, my beautiful Bad Bass TV family. It is a beautiful, beautiful day out, and we are over at my parents' house for one reason, and that is to show you guys the boat that we got. But before we do that, here is your comment of the day. If you guys want to be featured as a comment of the day or have a chance of being featured as a comment of the day, make sure you like this video and drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Of course, we're trying to get to 10K, and well, that's enough talking about that. So let's get to our little boat tour. So we got ourselves, let's see here, this beautiful John boat. If you can't tell, there's like camo painted on the outside of it. We got it from some dude up in the city. I guess he was a duck hunter, so they had it all camoed out, and yeah, there was a lot of stuff in it, like a bunch of grass and random things like that, shotgun shells, the whole shebang. And honestly, this is like not too bad of a boat. We took it out a couple times and honestly runs super good, but there's obviously a lot of upgrades that we are going to be doing to it, and I'm basically just gonna be asking you guys for recommendations or what you guys think we should do to it. So let's start from this mess of a back, I suppose. So we got this beautiful mess back here. We've got a gas can with extra gas because it doesn't have a very big tank. It's a John boat. We got like a 6-gallon tank. I believe this is 18 or a 20 horse motor. Runs like a charm, starts like a charm, honestly, and it definitely gets the job done. I couldn't tell you what the brand or anything is because I'm not that smart, but like I said, runs fantastic. We got the old camo duck seats. Check it out, very comfy. Probably will upgrade those as well. It's just like a jumbled mess back here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's just all sorts of things going on. We just went fishing in it not too long ago, and yeah, she needs to be cleaned. But we got one battery here. We got an extra one over there. We went ahead and got another one. We're going to probably get this cleaned up, a little more organized, and some of my ideas are like, if it's possible, we may like cut into this spot right here, this bench seat over here, and maybe, let's see. And maybe if it's possible, if we don't mount another seat right here, we may be able to cut it and make this into like a little storage area, because I mean, we got plenty of room. It's like an extra wide, I think it's 15 or 16 foot John boat, but we could definitely use some storage space for like all the tackle we bring. So either we'll put a new chair here, repaint it, maybe put something on top there, I don't know, some carpet or some Eva foam or whatever that I've been looking at, so it's not so hot on your booty cheeks. But either be storage or we're just gonna cover it and do that shebang. And then we got all these random buckets here. Fun time. My arm's getting tired from holding this giant camera, even though I have a Gorilla Pod on it. But here's our extra old battery. It appears that we got some rain in it. Got some rain in there, but so we got some water. We got this plastic piece of junk chair. We got some random rod holders, but like I said, we're gonna be upgrading this thing. So what do you guys recommend for like rod holders? We're gonna be probably, I don't know, we'll do some crappie or catfishing like with the poles on the side. If anything, we just stick poles in there just so we have more room in here, because we've been rocking 3 or 4 people in this sucker, so extra room would be nice. What would you guys recommend we should put for the carpet that is super wet that I just touched? I've been looking at some like blue Eva foam, I believe it's called. I think you buy like big rolls of it on Amazon, and it's like water resistant or waterproof, super soft. I've stood on some of it before, and honestly it feels really nice on the old feet, better than this shaggy, not so shaggy carpet. So what do you guys recommend for the old bottom layer here? Like, should we go with some like marine carpet or should we go with the foam? I don't know. Let's see what else. Also, I think I want to get it painted on the inside. I don't know why, I just don't care for the color of it. I don't really care for the camo of it. I mean, it's cool, you know, it's a John boat, it doesn't have to be that fancy. But I kind of want to like slowly convert it into a bass boat, basically. So I kind of want to like take these random blocks of wood that this dude redneck engineered up in here that I think is holding the carpet down for whatever reason that is. Get rid of that, get this nice and cleaned up, sanded, painted, whatever color you guys think we should paint. And then, honestly, I think this right here, so these chairs, let's see if I can do it with one hand. Okay, probably not. But these slide off, and then we got like just like 2 random bench seats under here, like the old metal seats that those sit on. And what I'm thinking is that we take these little storage compartments here, and we take some wood and we build like a deck from these seats on up. So we would just basically have one big deck right across here. It would extend it probably, that's probably 3 foot, which would be super, super nice, honestly. And then we could probably have a lot more storage that way. So that's an idea. I don't know. You guys let me know what you guys think about that. And then we got this old trolling motor that we are going to be upgrading to a Minn Kota here very soon. It doesn't run bad, but the other day it was like relatively windy on the water, and I couldn't even go forward because the wind was just blowing us straight back. So this will be an upgrade. This carpet up here is going to be an upgrade because I hate standing on that because I'm the one running the trolling motor because the old fart can't do it. And as you can see, we got this old chair thing there. So let's go around here. This is like one of my favorite parts actually, is the old light bar on the front. Super, super nice to have when you're fishing at night. But the only thing the only problem I come into is that I'm literally eating bugs nonstop when we're just like trolling around. It's horrible. Not a good time. So trolling motor is going to be upgraded soon, so don't have to worry about that. It's got this, it's not even plugged in, I guess. It was plugged in. Oh, unplugged. So I'm going to have a new trolling motor, some new carpet in this sucker here. Possibly eventually increase the length of the deck here, and it'll give us a little more storage. The storage is just like some, I don't even know, it's like 4 foot wide or something. Not a lot of room. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that we can do to this old boat, but honestly it runs pretty solid as it is right now. So just a little upgrades. We really don't need to upgrade the back motor. I think 20 horse is plenty for this John boat, and the trolling motor, it just sucks. I hate it. I hate the foot pedal. I hate everything about it. So we're gonna get that upgraded. So let me know what you guys think about our new boat. I mean, new to us. I mean, it's not brand new, but honestly, it's not too bad. A little touching up here and there, and we'd have ourselves quite the rig. So this video is probably gonna end pretty short. Like my little, let's see, got this little compartment thing from Walmart so I could stick my flashlights and knives and things in it. It's got little hook holders. Pretty cool. But like I was saying before I got off topic, the random things that are in this boat. Let me know what you guys think about the John boat. Let me know what kind of upgrades you think we should put in it. It's like, what color should we paint it? Should we put carpet or like the foam tile stuff in there, or the foam rollout? What kind of rod holders you think? Accessories, small little in detail things. And honestly, I think we're gonna be taking this sucker out a lot. Hopefully. We've already taken it out like 3 or 4 times. Have they been successful? Not so much on the catfishing side, but white bass wise, we hammered some on here. So yeah, that's about all I got for you guys in this video. I don't even know how much editing and cutting and stuff there's really gonna be in here. Basically, just gonna upload this just raw, straight how it is. So I hope you enjoyed our little boat tour. I'm sorry, it's kind of a mess right now. We got random stuff in it, but like I said, it's gonna be a kind of a fixer upper, not really fixer upper, but more like upgrade upper. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. But anyways, folks, I am getting ready to go fishing. I got my stuff here. I'm gonna go to the old Lincoln Lake, and we are going to attempt to fish for some catfish. I have a bag of shad from the other night that I caught, and I've catfished here like once before with bluegill. Never really had any luck. I didn't really even have a catfish rig. I just used my frogging rod, but I got my catfish pole. So we may do a little shad versus stink bait there, or just fish with shad and see if we can't just catch one fish in general. So that's about it for this video, I think. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you kind of enjoyed our little boat tour. I've probably said that like 10,000 times, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode of Bad Bass TV. And folks, like always, stay hooked.